to the Toy House Challenge. We are going to look at magical toy houses. Would you live here? Yes or no? Let's go! The Candy Castle. It has a kitchen that makes infinite cupcakes. Would you want to live here?
The Adventure Treehouse. It has a secret trapdoor and a giant winding slide. Would you live here?
The Space Pod. It has a glass ceiling to watch shooting stars and a zero-gravity bed. Would you live here? House 4, the Lego House. You can rebuild your bedroom into any shape you want, whenever you want. Would you live here? House 5, the Winter Cabin. The fireplace pours warm hot chocolate and the backyard has edible sugar snow. Underwater Submarine. You sleep next to friendly dolphins and watch sea turtles float by. Would you live here?
House 8, the Pirate Cabin. Sleep in a gold treasure chest and steer a real ship wheel. Would you live here?
The Pink Mansion. It has 3 giant floors of toys and a glowing crystal chandelier. Would you live here?
House 14, the Safari Tent. Sleep under the stars and listen to the friendly wild animals sing you to sleep. Would you live here?
The Block Castle. Guard your toys behind a heavy drawbridge and look out from your high tower.
Woo!
House 21, the Fire Station. Slide down a real metal pole to your very own red fire truck. Would you live here?
Honeycomb Beehive. Sleep in hexagonal golden rooms and eat endless sweet honey directly from the walls. Would you live here? House 26, the Windmill. Watch the giant sails spin from your balcony and feel the cool summer breeze. Would you live here?